Hi, this is a tutorial on how to edit the Oak Creek Arts and Crafts Shows website in the new WordPress interface. So, what you're going to do is take the login information that is in the email that came to you, enter the username and password, and log in. And then from here, you can navigate around to edit the places in the site that you're going to want to keep up to date on a regular basis. So let's start with just looking at where the page content is. So we'll go to Pages, and you can see all the pages that are in the site. If we go to the Shows page, for example, let's open that up and to go to Edit. What you'll see is this is only the information on the Shows page that's in this area to the right of where the show dates are. So this is the actual page for the shows, and then this information is in a different section that I'll show you in just a moment. So in here, all you need to do to edit any of this is just highlight the text and edit it the way you normally would in any other editor. You have a few tools up here to work with if you want to add anything to your text. You can add or insert links and that sort of thing. If you're editing a headline here, just make sure that in order to have it still remain looking the same way it does right now, if you edit it, make sure that it says heading 3 on it after you edit it, but you probably have no reason to edit that. At any rate, so there's how to edit basic things on a page. Now, if you want to you're going to want to find these show dates to update them. You're going to go to Appearance, Widgets, and then over here you have Shows Sidebar and Exhibitor Info Sidebar. These both contain the exact same information, but they both need to be updated. And you won't have to do the actual editing twice. You can just copy and paste from one to another. So I recommend you do the Shows sidebar first. Click on Text, click the down arrow, and there you are. This is all of the text that's in that sidebar. Now, we need to be careful in here because this square here that's generating this word, the month inside of the square, this is all done in code. So in order to not erase that code when you're editing in here, just be careful and don't ever edit these. The main month headings above where it says Oak Creek Arts and Crafts Shows in each section, just leave those alone and you won't ever have a problem with those squares disappearing on you. Otherwise, the only thing you need to do is just go in and right here I see a little error where we have caps where we shouldn't. I'm going to fix that right now. So there, I've changed that. If there were dates to change, I would have changed that as well. Just make sure if you ever edit anything in this row, make sure you only select like that, and don't accidentally choose something from the row above it, or you will actually change the formatting, because there's a little bit of different formatting attached to this text than there is attached to that text. So mainly just go in, choose the dates, type in the new ones. That's all you really need to know. Now, I'm going to save that because I did just make a change. Now, I'm going to select all of that. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to say Done here. And then I'm going to go to the Exhibitor Info sidebar, open that up, and you'll see that it still has that error there with December all in caps, and just to make it consistent, we changed that. So I'm going to select all of that, paste in the text from the one I just edited. There's my correction right there, and hit Save. And then come back over to the Shows page, and there we go. That word December, the 1st December, is now upper and lowercase. And we'll check the Exhibitor Info page too, just to be sure. And yep, that changes there too. Okay, so that's how to edit the dates. Next, these forms here if you ever needed to get to those, to edit those. Where you'll need to go to do that is to, actually, potentially two places, but maybe just one. So let's see, where shall I show you first? Let's show you menus first. I'll just show you where the links are to those pages. So here are all of the links that are currently active on the site. Here is where you actually edit the links. The application says it's a custom link. If we click the down arrow, and you see the URL for that PDF, which is a very long name. And it's sitting, this means it's sitting in the images folder. And so it's Oak Creek Arts and Crafts Shows booth application .pdf. So you can edit that PDF and call it the exact same name, or if you ever wanted to update the name of that PDF, you can do that. If you do that and you upload a new document, you will need to come back to this area and update the link so that it's pointing to your new document. Now, the area where you go to upload new documents, new images, new PDFs, is right here in Media Library. And what you do is click the Add New button, and then either navigate to find the file or drag and drop your file in and upload your file here. And then again, if the file name has changed from how it currently appears in the menu, you will need to go down to the menu and actually edit the menu as well, the menu link as well, as I was showing you before. So I believe that is everything to show you. If you have any questions, please just shoot us an email, and we'd be happy to answer your questions. Otherwise, thank you, and good luck. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.